Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will explore Taiwan Semiconductor in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You will want to be aware of any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.27. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -10.47%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.75% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often indicates a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $169.24 is breached, it could signal a more pronounced decline. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 11.59% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -12.80% and +7.48%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 41.17%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from 41.7% to 92.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $242.06 and $330.24. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline: Taiwan Semiconductor stock price ended at $171.59 on Thursday after losing 3.15%. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price fell by 3.15% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, from $177.17 to $171.59. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.98%, reaching a low of $170.51 and a high of $173.89. The price has been moving up and down during this period, with a loss of 5.25% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 101,000 shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 14 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $226.40, while the lowest price was $125.78. Currently, the price is 24.21%, or $54.81, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, has recently faced significant volatility, attracting attention amid a broader correction in the technology sector. The stock has been under pressure due to its heavy reliance on key customers in the United States, compounded by rising geopolitical tensions, particularly from trade disputes. Despite these challenges, TSMC's leadership in advanced chip production remains strong. The company's advancements in 3-nanometer chips are critical for applications in artificial intelligence, positioning it as a vital player in the AI competition. Furthermore, TSMC's robust financial health is reflected in impressive metrics, including a gross margin of 59% and over $76 billion in cash reserves. While recent plans for capital expenditures have raised some concerns, the expected benefits from increased demand, especially from hyperscalers, are believed to outweigh the risks in the long run. Analysts indicate that the recent 20% decline in TSM stock provides an appealing entry point for long-term investors, especially considering the company's history of outperforming the S&P 500 over the past decade. In the short term, investor sentiment will be significantly influenced by factors like inflation trends and trade policies, which may introduce volatility. However, TSMC's strategic investments, particularly its $100 billion expansion in the United States, signal confidence in its future growth potential. In summary, the combination of TSMC's market dominance, ongoing demand for AI, and strong financial fundamentals suggests a positive outlook for both short-term and long-term stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays gave TSM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned TSM a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave TSM an underperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 10th, 2025. So far, the stock has risen approximately 0.551%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is identified. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there may be resistance at levels of $175.37 and $195.39. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $170.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.38 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.98%. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.11%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.03. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $172.97. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $170.97. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor currently exhibits several negative indicators and is positioned within a broad and declining trend, suggesting that it is likely to continue performing weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of March, we anticipate that Taiwan Semiconductor will open higher by approximately 407/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $172. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions on buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.